guys, thank you for watching Dad on Two Wheels channel. No, I'm not the dad, but David would like me to introduce this video. So this video is about our family enjoying a beautiful weather day at a friend's pasture. We each ride our own motorcycle and having a blast, including myself, because it has been 5 years since I have ridden. As we mentioned in the introduction video, each time that I get a motorcycle, we ended up pregnant. So anyways, if you would like, leave a comment. I may do more videos of myself starting riding again, but there'll be a lot of what not to do. So enjoy the video, guys.
Mr. Jeremy for letting us borrow his land. Thanks, Mr. Jeremy. Go! Over here's a little muddy. Made tracks through it already. She's having fun. Go, Dalton, go!
So anyway, to go, give a little bit of gas to let this out slow. See, right there is where it starts to start pulling it. Okay, and then you slowly let it out more and more and more, and it eventually starts going. You got to give it gas. Okay? To stop, all you do is pull this in. Does that make sense? So if you don't want to go no more, you pull this in, you hit the brake. Look, you can adjust the clutch. You can hit the highest one. It's not going to do anything as long as that's pulled in. Does that make sense? So I let go. Oh! You got to let go slow, okay? Okay, yep, so no, not 2 times. First is down, second is up 1, third is up 1, fourth is up 1, okay? Neutral is between first and second, look. half up.